Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello dear students, I hope you are having a nice day. I welcome you all to the class of O-Level Mathematics. My name is Azmat Ali and we are discussing further sets. In today's lecture we will discuss a word problem related to Venn diagram, and this problem is specifically for use of De Morgan law. So this is a very interesting question. In this question, we have 37 students in a class. This shows the size of universal set. Let xi is my universal set and its size is 37. 12 students like novels. The number of students who read novels, their size is 12. So n of n denote the number of students who read novel. These are 12. 19 students like comics book. It means the number of comics reader are 19. And 8 students like both. It means this is a case of intersecting sets. 8 students like both mean novel, reader of novel and comics. This is given 8. How many students like neither novel nor comic? Neither novel nor comic mean we have to find the intersection of their complement. Mean to say we have to find neither novel mean n complement intersection nor comics mean c complement. This is our target to find. Firstly, we draw its Venn diagram. Suppose this is the universal set that is denoted by xi. This is my first set that shows the number of readers who read novels denoted by n, and this is my second set represent the readers who read comics. Now the readers who has the interest of both lies here in this blue portion, that is represent the actually intersection and intersection C. These are 8. So these are 8 here. Now the students who just read novel, as the total number of students who read novel are 12, and but 8 of them have the both interest of both reading. So this portion, this green portion, represent the number 4. Now number of students who read just comics. Total reader of comics books are 19. So the students who just read comics will lies in this portion here. These are total 19. 8 of them has the both interest, so these are 11. So here the union n union c, this is equal to sum of these 3 region, 4 plus 8 plus 11. This is equal to 23. We need to find the complement of n complement, intersection of n complement intersection c complement. By using De Morgan law, you know, n complement intersection c complement, this is simply equal to complement of n union c. You know, in the Venn diagram, where does the complement of union lies? The complement of its union lies here in this red area, outside of both of these circles. So this area represent actually n complement intersection c complement. So to find number of n complement intersection c complement, which is equal to actually complement of N union C. So what is the complement of N union C under Xi? As the number of total students are 37 and 23 are those students who either like novel or complement. So we just subtract 37, just subtract 23 from 37. This is equal to 14. This is our required answer without any mathematical manipulation. Now we solve this question in detail. Firstly, we will write here, as we know that the De Morgan law says n complement intersection C complement is equal to complement of n union C. Next, apply the definition of a complement. This is equal to universal set minus n union C. Now I have to find the number of students. So taking n on both sides, this gives n complement intersection C complement, which is equal to n of Xi minus n of n union C. Now the number of total students are here 37 minus, say this is my question number 1. Now my target is to find n union C. So firstly we find n union C here. We know that in case of intersecting sets, the number in the union of two sets is given by the number in the first set plus the number in the second set minus number in the set of their intersection, as n of n is equal to 12 here. This is 12. Number of comets reader are 19, and in the intersection they are 8. So this is equal to 19 minus 8, 11. 11 plus 12, this is 23. Now plug this value 23 in equation number 1. We have this is equal to 14. So in both way you can find the same answer. Next we move towards the second part. This is also an interesting question. In a group of people, surveyed 23 of them on laptop. Here total number of people are not given here. Number of people who have on laptop is denoted by N of L. This is equal to 23. 17 of them on desktop. Number of people having desktop are 17, and 9 of them on both types. It means this is a case of intersection again. L intersection D, this is equal to 9. How many people in the group on either laptop or desktop but not both? This is interesting case. If he says find the number of peoples who have either laptop or desktop or both, then this is simply L union D. But now this is the case of difference of two sets. So firstly we draw a Venn diagram here. This is my universal set denoted by Xi. These are the peoples who have their own laptop denoted by L, and these are the peoples who have their own desktop. This set is denoted by D, and their intersection is given by 9. This is the intersecting area denoted by N of L intersection D here. Now we have to find the number of people who have on either laptop. Means we have to find the two areas here. First is this. This represents the number of people who have just laptop, and this represents the area. This red area represent the number of people who have just desktop. We are not interested in the area that is common in both. The blue area here is actually denoted by, we will write, we need to find number of peoples that have laptop but not desktop. That is actually L difference D, plus number of peoples that have desktop but not laptop denoted by D difference L. Further, you can write it as the first set L difference D is actually L intersection D complement, plus the second one is actually N D complement intersection L, D intersection L complement, sorry. Now the blue area can be found as, the blue area is actually L difference D here. Say this is my first equation, and in this equation I have to find these two quantity, L intersection D complement and D intersection L complement. From the figure, if you see, L intersection D complement is actually can be found as, if I subtract the this intersecting area from the whole L, I can find L. If I subtract L intersection D from the whole L, I can find L intersection D complement. So L intersection D complement is equal to N of L minus N of L intersection D. What is the NL? N of L is equal to 23 minus the common are 9. This is equal to 14. Next we find D intersection L complement. Similarly, as L intersection D complement, this is actually, if I subtract the intersecting area from the D, I can find D intersection L complement. So this is D difference L intersection D. And to find N, we apply N on both sides. This becomes N of D minus N of L intersection D here. The total number of peoples having desktop are 17 and common are 9. 17 minus 9, this is equal to 8. So plugging both of the values here, we have 14 plus 8, which is equal to 23. This is the detailed procedure. Alternatively, I can give you a short trick. When you have to find either one of the area but not both, we can use the formula here. This is given by the, you will write here, total number of peoples are given below, N of L plus N of D minus 2 times L of intersection D. Number of having laptop are 23 and desktop are 17. 23 plus 17 minus the common having a 9. So this is equal to 23 plus 17, this is equal to 40 minus 18, this is equal to 22. So this is the shortcut technique, and this the first one was the actual concept. So in today's lecture we have discussed two very important problems. I hope now you have a clear understanding of today's discussion. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will discuss the Venn diagram in case of 3 sets. So if you find these lectures are helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.